Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Rush Ramo Reviews. Today we're driving from Halfway Tree, heading down to 3 Miles area. Just taking a look, an update on the road. Remember, if you're new, subscribe for more content. Remember to comment, like, and share the video as well so more persons can see. One thing I want to mention or talk about today as well is the multiple complaints in terms of not enough crossing on the road for pedestrian. They have to climb over the barriers. In some cases children are having difficulty crossing because of the limited areas that they can cross. We also see the issue, when they put a crossing section, vehicles, private transport, taxi buses also use that as an opportunity to make an illegal turn. They use that as an opportunity to sometimes try to beat the traffic as well. So that may be one of the reasons why they don't have as much crossing. Even along here, if you're a pedestrian wanting to cross in front of ATL under, you would have to climb over the barrier or go down somewhere on the road to be able to cross. Let me know what you guys think about it. Let me know what you guys think about the focus on pedestrian, the options, to cross, the options that pedestrians have in terms of crossing options. But somebody once suggested as well that the areas they're gonna open for crossing, they probably don't have to make it as wide that vehicles can go through, probably just a meter in terms of the width, so pedestrians can go through. They can still mark it as a pedestrian crossing, but at least the width of it would have prevented unruly motorists from using it as well. So that's a suggestion I heard. The other one I am hearing from NWA, National Works Agency, is that what they'll do in terms of the sections for crossing, they'll put some metal barriers that will allow pedestrians through but prevent vehicles from using it. So that's another good one. But what do you guys think about the amount of areas to cross, which is forcing persons to have to be climbing over, including children and probably elderly as well. And again, at the end of the day, this is not a highway where you have just a few, well, on a highway persons don't really need to cross, so then you don't really have to leave much options for crossing. But this is a busy road for both businesses, for both residents. We have communities on both sides of the road. We have business, we have educational institutes as well, we have factories, we have shopping centers. So the pedestrian on this road is a lot, so persons will need to move from side to side. But in an effort to do that, due to the limited amount of areas to cross, they have to at some point climb over the barrier. So let me know what you guys think about that. Leave your comments, share your ideas, share your view in terms of what they could have done differently, in terms of suggestions for them as well, in terms of something they could try differently. This is a driver making an illegal turn here, because I think coming down from 3 Mile you're not supposed to turn right here. So these are some of the issues that is causing more traffic and possibly more delays on the road, where persons are not obeying the different signs and instructions from the authority. But The road for most part is complete. Most areas having sidewalks. You can see the different areas left open for the utility pole, the lighting, street light. You still have some areas they're completing for sidewalk, for different pipes. But for the most part, it's getting there. It's almost finished. Just by estimation, I would say probably a 80% complete, even probably a 90. On both sides, in terms of what I'm seeing, asphalt is on both sides, so that's a plus. So it's just mostly cosmetic work, sidewalk, laying of pipe, street light, utility poles. I think that's what they are working on now. So yeah, so this is HAGLEY Park Road, driving from Halfway Tree to 3 miles area. Alright, so as I mentioned, some cosmetic work, sidewalk being done here. Alright, so HAGLEY Park Road, why they made it how they made it, in terms of the type of dividing wall, in terms of the limited crossing. You know, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think of the progress of the work as well, and the speed of the work, because I think it should have been completed from the end of summer, and then the deadline extended and extended. So share your views, share your feedback in terms of the progress of HAGLEY Park Road, and in terms of, you know, some of the decisions they made in terms of construction. And even right here, they now have a right filter. I think there was something in the middle at one point with L.A. Lewis where he took a right turn here and, you know, got arrested, got a ticket because they're saying there shouldn't have been any right turn. Once you're here, you have to go down to 3 mile areas. But I think they fixed that problem, and there is a right filter on the stoplight, so you can make a right here. Alright, so we heading closer down to 3 mile area. So the issue though, once you start here, as a driver, there's not much option to turn back if you want to turn back. The only turn back you can do is a left turn down this side just before the hardware. So there's a left turn you can turn back, but in terms of making any right turn, can't make that right turn. So right here you can make a left to turn back. If you miss this left, you have to go into 3 mile and then turn and come back. Even if you go into that school on the right, you know, there's no right turn to over there, so you'd have to go around under the bridge to be able to access that. So just food for thought. So we have sidewalks here, NCB right here. there's still work being done under the bridge. Still not complete. Sidewalks and stuff like that are still going in. Alright, so this is the 3 Mile area. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new as well. This is where I'll end the video.